This is Pro Pet Works Oatmeal Lavender Pet Wash, and it is a shampoo and conditioner. I absolutely love using this on my dog to keep them smelling nice and fresh. And what's so special about this is that it has almond oil, lilac oil, aloe vera gel, vitamin A, D, E, and B12. So it really helps my dog's skin and coat look fresh and healthy. I absolutely adore how quick and easy it is to use. So you really want to get your pet all the way wet with warm water and apply enough of this product to make a rich lather. And you want to really scrub them down from head to tail and keep it on them for around 5 minutes before you rinse it out, and you can repeat the process for better results. I absolutely adore this, and I really trust this company because they truly make shampoos and conditioners for dogs that work, keep my pet smelling great and feeling great. So you can check this one out on Amazon. It is an absolute pet must-have.